If you could hula hoop for 7 seconds, I'll buy your daughters anything they want in the store right now for free.
I don't know how. I don't try.
What's your name, man?
My name is Derek.
Derek, nice to meet you. I'm Timmy.
7 seconds?
1, 2. You want to do it? 7 seconds so you can get anything you want in the store for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! What's your name?
Angel.
So because Angel did it for 7 seconds, you guys can all pick out one thing in the store for free. Are they all yours?
Yeah, I have like a 7.
7 kids? Do you raise them all by yourself?
Yeah.
Is it ever hard to put food on the table? And
Oh yeah, somebody gets sick and then you don't have to go work. The bills, everything.
what do you do for work?
Assembly.
Assembly line? Yeah. Malibu Beach House. You want to help me do something nice for your dad? You want to give this to him when we go back?
For me? What is it? Man, I don't want to lose my teeth. Thanks for being an amazing parent. The world needs more people like you. Here's $200. Anything you might need today. Thank you. My wife left 2 years, almost 3 years now.
So you've been holding it down.
Yeah.
You keep him strong? What do you try to tell him?
I tell him to never give up.
He's my best friend too.
We actually have one final surprise for you. I'm with a company called Digital TV. They're a free, safe streaming service for kids, and their passion is feeding families. And so they wanted me to find the father with the biggest heart and to bless you guys with $10,000 for groceries for an entire year.